When doing the square root of numbers that ends in 5, multiples of 5, the simple way to do this arithmetic is this one here. What is the number, the next number to count after counting the one in the front? That will be 2. 2. So like this, you multiply the number, these two, and multiply this and square these two. That is 2 times 1 and 5 times 5. 2 times 1, that is 2. 2, 5 times 5, 25 is times 3. That is 3 times 2 and 5 times 5, which will give you 6, 2, 5. 3 times 2, 6. 5 times 5, 25. Yeah? 5, which is 4 times 5 and 5 times 5, which is 20, 25. Yeah? 9. 8 times 9 and 5 times 5, which is 72, 25. Then what will be the answer of this one?